Hello everybody, welcome to ChinesePod. This is Joy. In this series, we're going to be talking about Chengyu, which are Chinese idioms. Specifically, we'll talk about 4-word idioms. 4-word Chengyu. Now, a lot of people think idioms are so complicated. They must be really difficult to understand. But the good news is the ones that we've picked are made up of simple words such as numbers, 一、二、三、四. These are the first things that you would have learned in your Chinese classes. And the characters are not super difficult. So when you put these 4 words together, you would be able to infer the meaning and learn something about Chinese culture. Let's check out this series together. Here's the first one. 说一不二. First tone, second tone after the tone change, fourth tone, 说一不二. The first character is 说, which means to say. Now on the left side, that check, it's a radical. So when you see that in any Chinese character, it's related to speaking. And on the right side, you see a square, that's 口, which means mouth. That's also related to speaking. So that's the first word, 说. The second one, super easy, one line, that's 一. one is the completion or the start of all things. It's the biggest number. Okay, and the third one is 不, or 不 after the tone change. It kind of looks like an X. And the final word is 二, or 2. And instead of one line, we just have 2 lines. So that makes it easy to remember as well. So what do you think that means if I say 1, not 2? Now, if I 说一不二, that just means I'm very definite in what I'm saying. I have the final say and I'm going to stick to my word. So here's a sentence for you. 我说一不二, 你放心. I stick to my word. You don't need to worry. Okay, if you want to know more about this idiom, you can find a longer explanation on our ChinesePod website. 下次见，拜拜。ChinesePod.